So when you got back to Jamaica now, what was your plan to really solidify yourself back in Jamaica again?
Well, before I even get back to Jamaica, I was working on a studio. Jerry, I don't know if you know Jerry.
Sounds familiar.
Yeah, Malta.
Yes.
So I was working on that studio for him, technical wise, and him just get a mixing board and mechanical up and thing like that, and So Bonnie Lee came there and saw me. Bonnie Lee, that my brother from Jamaica, came there and saw me and said, "Why, Jammy? Right now, if you come back to yard no star, you waste time in Canada, and come back to Jamaica, man. Tommy's wanted down the front of the studio because feel smart to go to America now, so you have to come down now." I say, "Hey, it's all right. I can reconsider, it's all right. Soon come." So 76, I just pack my bag. And I say, I go down. I leave all of my records in Canada over in sound with a guy named Gray.
Yeah.
Anyway, I went back to Jamaica. Straight away, I go to Tubby's studio. That time I'm having a studio. Tubby's studio. Resident engineer. After this plant gone, you know what I mean? Pat Kelly was there for a little while, then me take over.
Then you took over. When did scientists get to King Tubby's?
Scientists never came there until after I was there I was there 76, when I just went down. 77, 78, 79. Scientists came there about 77. Late 77 or 78, part of that.
But you were the head engineer.
Yeah, I was the main engineer. I used to build amplifiers for Tubby's and do the engineer work.
So how did you even learn engineering? Because remember, building an amp is totally different than engineering now. How did you even learn to engineer?
Yeah, but remember, in Canada, remember I was at the studio at Jerry. Yes. So I used to repair and fix the thing. So we used to do a little engineering. That's simple. For me, a technician, you know them things are simple. You know? It's that same category thing.
Same mechanism, same type of thing. Doing your stuff now. Do you remember some of the first projects you started to work on when you got to Tubby's?
Well, I didn't start, you mean for myself?
No, not for yourself, like him.
Bonnie Lee.
Even whoever, Bonnie Lee or whoever was in there.
Bonnie Lee was the first person I started to work for.
Okay.
Johnny Clark, Johnny Clark too, them.
Yeah.
Max Romeo, them, and all them things there. Colonel Campbell. Yeah, man. And then Yabby U, then 90. All of them engineers, all of them producers came across. Then he started some like a private producer too. When Bonnie Lee them not working, because Bonnie Lee mostly work at nights. You know? So me will work from in the morning, so 10 o'clock in the morning, go straight back till the next 3 o'clock in the next morning with Bonnie Lee. We work for the other producers in the day. Then Bonnie Lee come from night now, me same one work, go back to morning, I'm going to catch a sleep and come back because they love the work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I was anxious to just be a real official, hit maker.
Because you found your passion now.
Yes, yes.
Doing it, because I know I read somewhere where it was really Bonnie Lee that inspired you to start producing.
Yes, so that's what I'm coming to know. While I was there working, 1979, I can't remember, Bonnie Lee was going to England. And because I was at Tubby's working, cutting dubs for Fat Man in England, sound system and everything, Bonnie Lee had a lot of friends there. So Fat Man used to send to Bonnie Lee and say, cut some dub for me, and Jammy cut some dub for Bonnie for Fat Man, and So I said, all right. I never used to charge no money or anything like that. Just do it for the love. So when Bonnie Lee was going to England, I said to him, Jammy, want to come with me? I say, yeah. What you mean? Want to come with you because I want to buy some equipment. I love have my own studio to and them thing there, 79, me said that. And we go to England. Fat Man said, all right, I'll make Fat Man send a ticket for you. So Fat Man sent a ticket for me. By this time, I do look up producing. I produced Black Uhuru.
I think that was the first one that you produced on your own as a project.
Yes. Black Uhuru, Travelers, Wayne Smith, you know, and them guys there. Purple Man, my producer man, and you know, Tolo T, and we just produced some LP and carry put me when I was going to England. So when I went to England now, I said, boy, I want to buy some equipment for carry down because I'm at the place them thing are the whole heap. So we just want to buy some equipment and carry down. Any money I'm going to get, I buy equipment, come on, start my own studio.
Got you.
So when we go now the Black Uhuru album and Chaperone, why everybody said the album sound wicked, but it too, I hate that time. Because you know Black Uhuru did sound them time there, you know. They never have any old past songs out there or anything like that.
Yeah, at that time here, yeah.
So Shelly used to have a company name, Count Shelly used to have a company name, Third Road Records. So one Lee came and introduced me to Count Shelly. Count said, boy, it'll be a body no man. Him talk like a countryman. It'll be a bad. But it forward at 2 times and so but I'm still gonna gamble with this on, you know. And take the Black Uhuru LP and another LP. I think it was Purple Man. The Black one, the Purple Man. So it leave me with the Wayne Smith now and a double LP. Yeah. So then take those 2 LP me get about I think it was about £2,000 me get for the 2 albums. So I said, well then, money is small, but at least we can give Black Uhuru them something and then now me have to buy equipment. Yeah. So a man introduced me now to Popsy, Starlight Records. So I went over there now with the Wayne Smith and the double LP. When I go over there, Popsy said, boy, tune in my body now. But me have the money to deal with this now. So I say, you couldn't get some equipment for me? You say, you want equipment? Say yes, man. Yeah. So I get a 2-track machine for me, a 8-track machine and a little mixing board. I say, all right, and some mic and thing. But just swap him the LP them for that. So when you make money, you know, you get back your money, you can't pay me some money. So I come back to Jamaica now with Bunley and, you know, carry my things up from the house and I have a little back room. That is 30th St. Lucia Road. That's Iris house, you know. Iris parents' house. Yeah. Because I did move from up on my mother at the time and down Iris because my kids them come from Canada now and everybody there. So I live down there now. I still visit my mother and I still have my room up there and everything. But I just with them all my kids. I may have the blind for make the student in the back room and thing. Some of us put the mixing board on some million black, then I have nothing to build up and thing. And little machine then. I have a cassette machine. What we used to do when we produce my song them, we used to go Harry J, build a rhythm, or Joe Gills build a rhythm, then mix them down as vice and mix them down at Tubby's studio.
Okay, so now that you have the studio and Tubby's has a studio.
No, I didn't have a studio yet. It was just, my one was just building.
You're just building. Okay, so even though you're building, you're still linking with Tubby's.
Still working at Tubby's, you know? So, what I used to do now is that my new releases that I had, new songs that I just make, I put them on cassette. And I use the minivan with the big sounds in them to project them out for me. Because we couldn't check the radio station to play. Nobody don't know me. Yeah. You know what I mean? So it's only the radio, the van that we could have used. Then when we decided to build back my sound at Jamaica, that's when King Jammy Superpower come in now.
Got you. So the label that you had, what was the name, the first label that you had?
Jammies.
It was Jammies. From beginning, it was Jammies right away.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.